Months ahead will likely be hot, dry and potentially dangerous. The Sky News weather team has looked at what is coming our way and has an exclusive forecast that you'll only see here and on the Weather Channel. But joining me live now is meteorologist Bradlyn Oakes with all the detail. Bradlyn, we've already seen those really hot days in spring, so how hot is it actually going to get?
Well, we're expecting temperatures across the country to be above average as we head through our spring and our summer. So places like Brisbane, Sydney, 90% chance of being above average when it comes to the temperatures. We're going to see heat waves really take hold going forward. So we are expecting more heat waves through the spring into early summer as we head through our upcoming severe weather season. So we have these two climate drivers, the positive IOD as well as El Nino, which both point towards hotter and drier conditions. So we're really anticipating this heat to build in over the coming months, as well as the potential for less rainfall.
Right, okay, so it's going to be pretty hot.
It is.
So what about the severe weather? I'm talking, cyclones and big storms.
That is what we expect this time of year. So generally we're expecting that our cyclone potential is going to be below average. In a typical year, we see about 11 storms forming. And this year we're likely to see less than that. But every season on record, we have seen at least one tropical cyclone make landfall. We're expecting 1 to 3 this year. So still watching for some wet weather and some stormy conditions with that. When it comes to thunderstorm potential, eastern side of the country is where we could see close to normal when it comes to rainfall, as well as thunderstorm potential. So still going to see those severe weather days of thunderstorms in areas like Sydney and Brisbane.
Right.
And we're still not ruling out thunderstorm potential in the south either. So we still have some storms. We'll still see a bit of wet weather going forward, but we're also, of course, going to be watching for increased bushfires and grass fires because it's going to be dry. And if those storms develop, we could see dry lightning as well, which could spark more bushfires. So very hazardous conditions going forward, and we're likely to also break the temperature record of 50.7 that was set in Australia as well. So
Okay, so a couple of months of severe weather ahead, and you've not just looked at summer, but you've looked at that period from kind of October to March, April, is that right?
That's exactly right.
Okay.
So our severe weather season is between October and April. So we're looking at that entire time. And even just as we see these climate drivers take hold, we see that severe weather season extending a little bit more and more as well. So hazardous conditions for quite a few months to come.
Okay, sounds like the Weather Channel needs to be on the favourites.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Yeah, thank you, Bradlyn, appreciate it.